everyone, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo niyo po sa aming munting salo-salo. Salo-salo. Sana po matulungan niyo po kami sa pag-promote po ng aming pelikula na I Felt It's Fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Sige.
Ayan. Anyway, good evening everyone. So this is actually a remarkable night for not just for us actually, but for all the women out there. As we know, we are celebrating the Women's Month, and we also want to be the, ano ba tawag ng direct? For the lack of better term, epitome. So let's celebrate tonight. So we are excited not just for us, and also for Glyza and Rian to really parang share with us. It's very challenging kasi direct na sila yung gampanan nila yung ganitong role sa pelikula, especially here in the Philippines. But as of today, the movie, the marketing and the promotions of our movie, sobrang taas po ng engagements at ng numbers. So we are really looking forward to the coming days.
Yes!
Ayan,
Miss
dito ka na.
Pao.
Dito ka na siguro sa amin.
Okay.
I'd like to begin with having a grateful heart, of course, to the women who paved the way for all the voices to be heard across the nation and across the globe. And of course, I'd like to personally thank Rian, Glyza, and of course Direct, and to the whole team for being an inspiration, and also for representing the community, and for representing with dignity, with respect, with power and strength. And we are all empowered women here, and I hope to inspire each and every one of you, regardless of gender, of preference and orientation. And I believe that real progress comes from listening to each other, and of course learning together so we can build a better community. Thank you.
Yes, very well said, Miss Pao. Thank you so much for that. What an incredible feeling to hear from the powerful women who planned, conceptualized, implemented, and led this exciting and meaningful film that will surely captivate and inspire many. And now, it's time to welcome the happy cast of I Felt It's Fine to our advocacy night. First up, we have Kuinay Mercado as Liz. Yes!
Saan ako din eh? Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, una-una po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng pumunta din ngayon, naglaan ng kanilang oras. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin kayong lahat. And ayun, sana ho ay ipagkalat ho natin ang I Felt It's Fine dahil ho talagang ito'y napakaganda. Marami ho ang magkakagusto sa movie na ito dahil bukod sa ating rastro, syempre, ang story nito ay talaga naman ngang marami rin ho siguro ang makaka-relate. So ayun po, God bless po and thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, Pinay. We also have Ice Arago as Jack. Hi po!
Hello lang, ganyan.
Hello, manood kayo ng I Felt It's Fine sa April 4 na all cinemas nationwide.
Yes! Of course, we also have Sir Alcris Galura as Bobs. Yes!
Hello po. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Sana pagkakataon mo po yung pelikula, hindi lang po kayo matuwa sa namin buhay. Salamat po.
Lovely. Welcome, guys. And of course, we have the two remarkable women who are our main stars for I Felt It's Fine, shining brightly in the entertainment industry. These actresses have positively impacted the industry and surpassed fans and viewers with their phenomenal talent throughout the years. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to the main stars of I Fell It's Fine, Miss Rian Ramos and Miss Glyza De Castro. Karaoke po ito ha, -1 po ito. So,
Gusto lang po namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta nyo. Thank you so much for your support for this movie that you have not seen yet. But we're hoping that you can help us spread the word when the time comes, and sana talaga magustuhan nyo.
Yes, after so many years, actually years talaga ang inabot para maipalabas finally ang pelikula na ito. I remember mga 2024, nung kino-conceptualize to ng aming mga producers, sila Miss Pauline and si Miss April. And then, hindi namin, actually ako personally, hindi ko alam kung saan papunta noong mga panahon na yun. Pero sure ako na kapag natuloy ito, it's going to be worth it. And I'm just so happy na finally nagkasama ulit kami ni Rian. Hindi lang sa Sangre, kasi sa Sangre nagkikita rin kami.
pero mag-aaway.
Pero mag-aaway kami. Pero ewan ko, baka naman may mangyaring iba din. Sangre, na itutuloy dito sa I Fell It's Fine. Ayun, oo. So ayun, maraming salamat. Unang-una sa Wide International for making this film happen. Sa aming director na si Sigrid. Hindi ko pa nauubuso.
Ayos na mapapatal ko ng passport ko. Hindi na mahirapan na.
From Wine International. Ganito po talaga kami dito. Pag magkakasama po kami, parang nakakalimutan na namin, trabaho pala ito. Magtatrabaho pa rin po pala kami. Pero ayun, maraming salamat sa napakahusay na pagkakasulat ni Direk Sigrid Bernardo. Ayan. The renowned director of Metro Manila Film Fest. Sorry. At saka sa lahat po ng involved sa pelikula na ito, maraming salamat sa inyong hard work. Ayan ang aming producer na si Direk Dennis. Ang dami ko sinabi, no? Tara magkanta na tayo.
Pwede umupo.
Upo na tayo.
Akin naman to.
yeah, so we're really excited to hear from everyone now that the movie is finally finished and hitting theaters on April 4. So, parang tatanungin ko dapat, how are you feeling? Pero sa nakikita ko naman, parang sobrang happy naman ng general feeling ng lahat. Hindi naman! Siguro ito, yung mga for our cast members who weren't here during the MediaCon, to Alcris, Ice, and Queen Eye, ano yung pinaka-memorable encounters ninyo during the filming process? Or pinaka-takeaway ninyo from the film?
Ayun. Siyempre yung maka-extend ako yung sarili kong kapatid. Palagi kong inuulit-ulit na every time kung naka-extend ako talaga siya, pangalawang beses namin itong magkasama sa pelikula. At sa pangalawang pagkakataon na starstruck pa rin ako sa kanya. Seryoso, kasi kahit kapatid ko siya, pagkakaharap mo siya sa eksena, si Glyza De Castro siya. Hindi mo na nakikita yung kapatid mo, nakikita mo na yung character.
So, ano ba allowance? Worth it.
O, ikaw muna.
Bato pa topic daw kayo.
O, sige na, ako na. Siguro yung hindi ko talaga makakalimutan, very memorable to. Meron kasing isang linya si Direk Sigrid. Sabi niya sa akin, dito mo sa linyang to, ipapatak yung luha mo. So, Direk, tumatak talaga yung sa akin. Kasi parang sabi ko, nagulat kasi ako, Direk. sabi ko, Direk, parang, syempre that time, doon may karga naman. Pero syempre, Direk, parang, ay, nakaka-pressure, Direk si Greg to eh. Parang medyo na-pressure ako. Pero, good thing naman kasi nagawa ko naman din. So, thank you sa help ni Direk si Greg. So, thank you po, Direk, sa pagtitiwala din. So, ayun po. Tumatak talaga yun sa akin. Ice?
Lahat naman to ay memorable sa akin bilang fan ko ng actor. So, sumakses ako eh. Sumakses ako as a fan. At bihirang, bihirang mangyari to sa isang fan. Dahil dati pinapanood ko lang naman ang Rastro. Ngayon kasama ko na It's okay. Ngayon kasama ko na sila sa movie and first movie ko po ito. Wow. Yes. Kaya maraming salamat sa ating mga executive producers.
Naiiyak na
April
talaga siya,
and Miss Pauline. And sa Wide International kasi nga sobrang ano to sa akin. Ano tawag doon? Paiiyak talaga ako. Ikaw naman. Oo, basta yun. Basta memorable to sa akin, sobra. Kasi nga gawa sa Rastro. Yes! At syempre, dinarek pa ni direct si Sigrid. Sigrid sana eh. Naunana ko ni Miss Liza. Tinama ko na yung sarili ko. Yun lang.
Alright. Okay, syempre ito naman to our main stars, to Rastro. Since this is a romantic comedy, a girl love movie, and since this is our advocacy night, we would like to entertain questions that focus on the movie and its message of women empowerment. So before we dive in, I'll indulge myself with a personal question na lang siguro. Since this film nga centers on around the love story between two women, but it's also a part of a larger conversation about representation and about visibility, right? So why do you think stories like this, centered on women loving women, why is that an important story to tell?
Thank you for that wonderful
You're welcome.
Hindi, pero unang pumasok sa isip ko, parang wala kasing masyadong, especially before, when Richmond's Daughter premiered, wala masyadong gumagawa nun eh. Parang, I think at that time, no one was brave enough to tell stories like this. So I think, hindi ko naman masasabing niche siya, pero I think it's important that may representation because it's something that you don't normally see and watch on television. So parang at least may mga tao pa rin from the community na mafe-feel nilang importante sila, importante yung storya nila, importante yung pinagdadaanan nila. Para, alam mo yun, para ma-inspire din yung mga other people who are experiencing the same, feelings, challenges in life. Kasi doing Richmond's Daughter, and eto, I felt it's fine. Hindi madali because I think laging may preconceived notion na why. Diba? Merong ganun, may mga tanong. And yun, thankful ako na we're given opportunities as actors to explore that world. Kasi honestly, nung 2015, I wasn't really aware na ang laki pala ng community. And thankful ako na ang dami namin na-tap na people from the community that share their stories as well. So dun pa lang parang ang sarap na sa pakiramdam na wow, buti nabigyan kami ng chance to represent people from the community.
Very well said.
For me, anytime that I've ever felt that no one can understand how I feel, whenever I feel alone or parang ganon, yung parang hindi ko mapag-usapan yung nararamdaman ko, which is very common, I think anyone can relate to that. I always look for something from
different kinds of media. It could be a movie, a show, a song that makes me feel heard. And to have the opportunity to create a project that makes people feel heard and represented that's why we should all be doing it.
Yeah.
We should be telling everyone's stories because we're really not all that different in the first place.
Very well said. I agree. Art is really so important in that way because when you meet a character or hear a story or see a circumstance that you see yourself in, it reminds you that you're not alone.
Yeah.
That you're not alone in whatever it is that you're going through, that you're feeling, na there are other people going through this too. And if they were able to get through whatever that is, you can as well. So thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. It's clear that everyone is...
Maganda pa yung sagot ko.
Ay! Dinadagdagan mo lang. Dinadagdagan
Make yours better.
Ako din, parang dapat kasama ka sa pelikula na sa
Maybe on next time.
Nag-audition.
But thank you so much, guys. Before the excitement continues to build further as we welcome questions from our friends from various groups and representatives here, before that, let's allow ourselves to be entertained by the official soundtrack of I Felt It's